15-inch ko na work. Hey y'all! So I'm gonna vlog my work week this week because it will be very, very interesting. Interesting kasi nagpalit na ako ng schedule. So from night shift, this girl is no longer a night shift. So mid-shift na ako, which means I work in afternoon shift hanggang gabi. And that is the ideal work shift for me right now while I transition from the graveyard shift because I have been working sa graveyard shift for more than a year. So it is honestly 1 year and almost 4 months na nag-work ako ng night shift. And now let's transition it and let's work ng afternoon shift. Currently it's already 6. Tapos na ako sa not really half but first part of my schedule or my work week. So this is my first day ulit ng gantong shift. So I've adjusted, reset ako, been looking into my calendar for schedules, reviewing our SOPs, ganyan. But right now, I'll be having lunch at 6:45. So sa lunchtime namin, bubiyahe kami para makapunta sa coffee shop so that we can go in the coffee shop and work from there. And if I don't have like scheduled work, I will study. So that is our agenda for this week. So, yun lang. And yeah, let's go. Let's start working since I have a few more minutes before my lunch. So, okay. Sa laptop, I'm using ClickUp. So, I really, really love ClickUp. My personal ClickUp, nakikita mo dito yung calendar ko, mga reminders, and my to-do. So, nandiyan siya. Meron akong overdue. But, okay. So, like, this is like my schedule now. So, we have that. Study and check my project. So these are all the time that is pretty vacant for me if I have like a work. Pero for now, mag-study muna tayo. Of course, na-forgot kong i-vlog yung food pagkadating. But here's something that I love. Seattle's best. This is salmon with cream cheese and their chips. I like this. And I'm currently studying Python. So I'm studying range and string interpolation. Yep. So yun muna for now. Then I'll get back to you in a bit. Okay, so I'm vlogging what's in my bag since nasa coffee shop ako. Gusto ko sanang i-vlog siya. What's in my work bag. So this is my bag. This is I don't know, pero nabili lang yata to sa TikTok ng ate ko. Parang siyang long chunk. So it's like a dupe. So I really like it. Sobrang laki niya. Kasha yung 15-inch ko na work laptop. So let's start. So sa loob, I have a lot. Sobrang laki lang niya. As in like one dock hug lang siya. And sobrang gulo niya. As in, hindi ko pa siya naayos. Pero first is meron tayo dito laptop bag. And kasi nalaglag ko na yung laptop ko once. And wala siyang case. So it's really important na may case siya. And since ayaw ko bumili ng case, kasi sabi nila hindi rin daw safe ang case, bumili ako ng parang pouch. So medyo makapal siya. Ayan. So meron siyang cushion just in case. So ayan. And inside, meron siyang dalawang compartment sa loob. Wait lang. Meron siyang compartment sa loob. So you can put two laptop or sa other side is yung charger, which ano yung ginawa ko, ayan, charger. And then the laptop sa kabila. So this is the laptop. I'm currently working. So ito yung work laptop ko. That is the 15-inch laptop. And then, next here is my mask. So nagkasakit kasi ako. And then this is the mask that I use. This is a butterfly mask. Super nice na. And then I also have my jacket here. So this is our GCI LO jacket. So nice. And then we also have here a wipes. And meron din tayo dito, disposable seat cover. So really important ito for me kasi ayoko dumidikit ng anything. This is actually, nandito siya sa pouch na to. So inside my bag is may pouch na naman ako. So this is like an eye skin. So ewan ko, hindi ko lang yun sa ate ko. So ito, nandito siya. And then I also have this, pinili ko to sa Japan this year. Para sa mga, kunyari, masakit ulo mo, patches. So I have this patches. I don't know the brand, I forgot na. And then meron din akong panglinis ng eyeglass. Sa TikTok lang yun. So everything is here. And then, meron din tayo ditong sunscreen, Bior. And then my gamot, Elica, because I have sebaceous dermatitis. So Elica is the key. I also have Bremod serum. So this is a hair serum. Super bango niya. And then a lipstick. Ito siya. Tapos, this lipstick is actually should be here. So magulo yung bag ko. Ito naman yung pouch ko for makeup. So we have the Dior blush, lip balm, which I should be using to dry na lips ko. But this is lip balm. This is lip treatment from Japan then. Then I have this Pillow Peach Happy Skin. And then lastly is the Loop one. This one, binili ko to kasi ayoko nang irita pag maraming tao, ganyan. Medyo sensitive ako sa sound because I work night shift before. But since ngayon napalitan na yung shift ko ng mid shift, ayun na siya. Then I have headset. So this is for iPhone. Yan. And then, lastly is I have this foundation. This is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. So yun yung laman ng second pouch ko. Then, next is we have my Kindle. So this is my Kindle. This is the Matcha Kindle Basic. I like this. It's super small. Ito siya. Comparison with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Parang siyang phone. And then my current read now is 6 of Pros. So yun yung current read ko. Perfect for October, Halloween. And then I kalat ng bago. Another headset. This is naman is for work because I use Google, so I like this. And then I have the case for my DJI. And then I have socks. Kasi lamigin ako, so I always bring socks. So this is like a company merch. So this is clip up socks. I have my wallet here. And then I have a few stickers. And kalat, ribbon, and napkin. Of course, we need to add just in case. Add that there. And then next is we have hold on, another case. So this is my pencil case. So yung mga ballpen ko lang. And then Therapeutic, of course. And that's it. Ah, I also have my notepad here from Jollibee. Napanalunan ko sa birthday party. And a mirror. So this is like a mirror. And that is all in my bag. Yun lang lahat na nasa bag ko. Pero actually, meron ako nito. BMW mic. This is the mic I'm using. Meron siyang bag. So, dun siya. Ito lahat. Super nice ang mic na to. I haven't had a chance to charge it. Way back. Ano? Way back? April? Yeah, April. I didn't, hindi ko pa ito na-charge since April, diba? Bongga. Anyways, I'm gonna put this all in my bag. And then, let's work. Yun lang. As a busy working girl, I need to prioritize me. All my life. Hello! Happy Tuesday! And super happy ko kasi it's only 4:28. Medyo jam-pack pa rin ang schedule ko as in, like I have a couple of calls or work after nito. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng matcha kami. Anyways, super nakaka-happy kasi galing ako sa Milo. And super nice kasi it is actually a movement, aerial movement. Parang fitness center. And then, mas focus siya sa, like, aerial yoga, hoops, ganyan, pole dancing, ganun. And first time ko ma-try, even if dati, super curious ko na. And ang sarap pala talaga niya sa feeling, my experience. As in, it, parang nag-release siya ng happy hormones talaga. And I don't dance, pero ang saya palang sumayaw. It feels nice. Feels nice. Pero, I'm not really 100% sure if it's my cup of tea. But it's nice. Ang galing ko rin kasi umakyat sa unggoy. Sabi nila, parang pag first timer daw makakyat sa pole, parang, in past life daw, pole dancer. Pero in past life, feeling ko unggoy ako. Kasi ang galing ko daw kumapit doon. Masakit siya sa katawan, pero na-realize ko na malakas pala ako, and masyado kong pinapahina yung sarili ko. So, anyways, mag-start na muna akong mag-review, nag-loops na up, kasi 1 to 2 yung schedule ko for the exotic pole dance. And then, umuwi ako 2:20-ish. And then, almost 3:50 na ako nakarating sa bahay. Sakto pa rin before I log in. And then, yun nga, prep ko. Nagkain din ako, nagluto ako ng nilagang baka. And then, I should have my first call. But my call got cancelled. So, yeah. Then, next na lang, I'm still waiting for it for 45. Then, jump back tayo ng meetings today. But that's okay. Then, later, mag-study lang. But yeah, see you in a bit. Go. Super excited. First time kong pumunta sa class na to. This is a class, a Pilates class para junior yung coach. So, I believe basic kasi 2 years ago pa yung last Pilates ko. So, sobrang excited ko for that. So yeah, see you in a bit. Here's our food for the day. It's chicken, honey garlic, soy garlic. I love this so much. And sobrang tawa ko na, so we need to lose weight. Kasi ang double chin natin. Release to siya ng dinosaur. Choice. But, yeah. In 3 minutes, I have a meeting. I have a call. I am a voice agent as of the moment. But yeah, let's do this. Kahit brown out. Kapasok mo yung bahay, brown out sa sarili. Pero bumigyan mo natin yung mag-unbox na yung meeting day. Yun mo yung ako po natin for today's video. Sino ka? Jean. Unfortunately, hindi ko siya kilala. Nakilala ko lang. Si V, si RM, si Jungkook. Sorry, hindi ko kilala si Jean. Pero si Jean